I don't know what your problem is.
Being harassed, that's no problem.
Harassed? What do you know about being harassed? You get harassed? Huh?
Y'all,
You grow up getting harassed? And roll all your windows down for me. You do Uber, don't you? Roll your windows down.
on my way to work.
You're on your way to work. The reason why I stopped you is you didn't fail to use a turn signal when you turn. So for my safety, I'm gonna have you step out of the car. You're one of those guys that ride around looking for prostitutes, huh? One of those guys that wanted to be a cop?
Nope, never did want to.
No? Harassed? What do you know about being harassed? Alright, I'm gonna start your ticket. You have a license?
It's right there, you're holding it.
You used to drive a Tahoe. You used to call them racial slurs and stuff. Yes. Harassed? What do you know about being harassed?
Racial slurs, how they're white.
They were black. Yeah, I know who you are. You live with your mom. You used to always call them racial slurs. Close your eyes.
Have a great day, okay?
I'm Officer Bodycam at Youngstown Police Officers. The reason why I stopped you is you didn't fail to use a turn signal when you turned right here. Maybe it's because you were preoccupied. You have your license on you?
Yeah, you're a fucking joke.
Hey, I'm not being disrespectful at all. You know what I mean? I'm going to come at you with respect the way I should, right? I don't know what your problem is.
Being harassed, that's no problem.
Harassed? What do you know about being harassed? You get harassed? Huh?
Y'all,
Did you grow up getting harassed?
all the time.
Where'd you grow up? Austintown? Struthers?
Texas.
Texas? You were harassed?
Yeah.
You have your registration, your proof of insurance?
Insurance is on the phone.
And I gotta ask, any firearms in the vehicle, sir? You sure?
Last I checked.
That 10 meter stuff out there, Kenny, it's starting to open up a little bit. Peeking.
You wanna reach over for the registration, sir? And roll all your windows down for me.
If you give me a minute, one thing at a time.
You do Uber, don't you?
Left.
Yeah, you do Lyft. You're always speeding through the city. We've actually stopped you before. We gave you a warning. Me and him.
For speeding?
Just because you move. But you get no more warnings.
That's fine.
Okay. You work at AutoZone or what are you doing here, man? Roll your windows down.
On my way to work.
You're on your way to work. You got lights back there. You got lights in the back?
Everywhere.
What are the lights for?
I used to do security. I don't do security anymore.
Here.
You got ammo in your car? Yes, I do.
No weapons in your car?
I don't believe so. If I had a weapon, it'd be in the center console here next to me.
So for my safety, I'm going to have you step out of the car.
What?
Because I'm asking you to. You hear what I said?
Yeah, I heard that. I don't give you the consent to search it, though.
Nothing on you? So, I'm patting you down.
Well, I got a balance issue.
What's this here?
With what?
On your stomach.
Transit.
Nothing illegal in your pockets?
No.
You mind if I go in them? Huh?
Yeah, you can go in them.
Okay.
Be careful on the right one.
What's on the right one?
Insulin pump.
Stand back there. Stand back there. What AutoZone you work at?
I'm not going to disclose that.
Okay. It's easy to find out. So, your lights, what color are they?
What does that matter? You didn't pull me over for lights.
I know, but now I'm investigating it.
Go investigate it.
What color are they?
Get a warrant.
Get a warrant?
Get a warrant.
This guy's a fucking... He got lights all in the back. You got permits for them?
Sitting down the street on search warrant radio.
Actually, I just pulled up to the stop sign.
is inappropriate? You own it?
Nope. It's from the movie.
Oh, this is the name of the work card. This is the viewer.
Yeah.
.623 index.
Head 623.
Tax valid and everything.
Copy Union Cruise 151890.
Ohio's your state, you support the state patrol?
Yep.
What time you supposed to be at work?
The what?
What time you supposed to be at work?
I got plenty of time.
You're one of those guys that ride around looking for prostitutes, huh? One of those guys that wanted to be a cop?
Nope. Never did want to be a cop.
No? So who do you radio into?
It's called a ham radio. You ever heard of it? What do you radio to?
I radio to dispatch, my partners.
I radio to my friends.
And what do you guys talk about?
Whatever you want to talk about.
What are you doing over here?
On my way to work.
Where do you live?
I live in Youngstown, on the north side.
He's in Austintown.
You live on. So you live on the north
You're
side.
about to say
You're
Austintown.
driving down here.
He lives in Austintown.
You're driving down here.
On my way to work, I work in Boardman.
Why are you taking this way? This isn't the main route.
So?
Yeah.
I don't take the main route.
Weird. It's a high drug area. You're not coming here.
623.
You're sitting down the street.
Go ahead.
Well, search warrants being conducted using a hand radio to radio your friend.
I just passed by and saw it, so I stopped and watched.
But you're on your way to work.
I am.
So when they say when you get there, they ask where you work. So, oh, just watching a search warrant. Even though I'm in a rush to get to work. But you also have time all day.
I'm
So
not
I don't
running to get
understand.
to
The
work.
story don't make sense.
I'm not running to get to work. I never said I was.
Why are you on your way?
Because I got to be at work. I don't have all day.
You just say you have all the time? Can you say that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's a lot of food there. High drug activity. High level of prostitution. I don't live on the south side. I allegedly live on the north side.
He's starting to say Austintown. You live in Austintown, don't
On
you?
Union Cruise
27
1518.
Granada Avenue, right off 5th Avenue.
623, go ahead. Alright, I'm going to start your ticket. You show me proof of insurance?
Came back to not found, not on file.
For an OLA. You ever had a traffic ticket?
Long time ago.
Yeah.
You say your gun's not in your center phone.
Shouldn't be. Should be in the house.
Yeah, well, that's kind of important. You don't need a CCW anymore. When police ask, you have to be truthful.
I believe it's in the
What's
house.
the time is, sir? I'm not on file.
Can you read it back to me, what you have? You don't have a license.
It's right there. You're holding it.
Just can't find it.
Not my problem.
Yeah, it is. I'm telling you. 151. Yeah, she's not finding it. I don't know.
I even got the paper one in the damn car, I think.
I'm gonna start this ticket. We're gonna.
It says what?
You weren't wearing your seatbelt either.
Yeah, it was. I took it off to get it out.
What's a good day to go to court for you? To be a trial. Time.
Gopro, Justin Ray Sanders.
Who's that?
They are
Put it out.
Oh shit, hey.
valid on the driver's license.
You want to?
Only. Driver's license.
You want to?
Only.
Hey, I think he's got it.
Huh?
I think he's got it. I think he's fucking fine.
Are you allowed to carry?
Yeah.
Yeah? No prior felonies? Can I turn your lights on?
These are probably red and blue, huh?
Oh, I'm gonna run.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna run. Yeah, I'll go to one.
Code 5.
Oh, I know who you are.
500.
I know who you are.
Do you have a car south free with a computer? We're on at
You had neighbors that you didn't get along with.
331
Granada.
West Myrtle.
You used to drive a Tahoe. You used to call them racial slurs and stuff. Yes.
Racial slurs held in white.
They were black.
205.
Yes, I used to come to your house because you would call because they would park in front of your driveway. You used to drive a silver Tahoe.
Oh, you're talking about the gay guys next door.
Yeah, I know who you are. You live with your mom.
245.
You used to do security work.
Yeah, like I said earlier, you used to be security.
You used to always call them racial slurs. That was years ago I went to. Are they still stay over there?
No, they moved.
You drove them out, huh?
No.
You still stay with your mom? Last 4 of your social? What's your weight?
About 360. Give or take.
Color your eyes.
Blue.
Hair color.
Well,
Yeah, Kenmore and Edwards, you go 6.
Hey. Affirmative.
Who's that? What's your unit number again?
623 and 626.
Copy.
What year is this car?
13.
Ford
Explorer.
Explorer. Nice. Still have the Tahoe?
Nah, so
Kenmore and Edwards was your violation.
you know what?
Kenmore and Edwards. When can you, if you do want to appear, when do you want to appear?
Pick a date. I don't care.
Pick a date, you don't care. How about next Friday?
Friday don't work.
Second, alright?
So what did you write the ticket for?
Your turn signal. You failed to use it.
And you saw that being beside me?
Behind you. Give me a good phone number.
No.
05 0. You still say?
Yep.
Oh man. Well, here's your ticket. You got it for a turn signal. You failed to use it when you turned right on Kenmore. We've seen that when we were behind you.
After you let me up?
We let you up after you failed to use your turn signal. Instead of how you got to use it 100 feet prior. Look at the RC. All right, 100 feet prior.
I turned after you let me up.
What?
I turned here after you let me up.
What do you mean you turned here?
When you let me up on
Yeah, when you came up to turn, you didn't use a turn signal, man. There you go. You can find it in court.
I will.
You do all you do.
I will.
Sign up here for me.
Where?
Here. You don't have to appear because you show proof of insurance. All right? Got it?
That didn't even make sense.
You don't have to appear
So why would I appear?
because you can appear if you want, or you just pay the fine.
Oh, I ain't paying shit.
Okay.
I ain't paying a damn thing.
Okay. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
I'm here with cameras everywhere. Like, share, and subscribe. Demand the truth. Cameras everywhere. Or else.
By the way, this gentleman killed his mother and his sister. Do you have that on tape?
Yeah, nigga.